product breakdown on this ashwagandha with black pepper extract, which is made by NaturaLife Labs. Glenn's gonna be showing you his experience using this product, along with what I like and what I don't like about this product. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Some of the things I do like about this product, it includes the black pepper extract that's made with organic ashwagandha root powder and root extract. 100% pure and natural, no fillers, no binders, no stearate, and uses vegan capsules. The things I don't like is that the capsules are kind of large. You may have to take 1 or 2 at a time versus 3. I would actually put it in your mouth and wet it, like soak it before you swallow it. Yeah, it'd be a lot more comfortable going down your throat. And then another thing is the copy that's on the bottle itself. It's very, very difficult to read. You literally almost have to take a microscope and look and read all the information that's on the bottle. The text that's on the bottle is kind of small.
I suggest a recommended dose.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.